Hey guys, this is just a BB craft like reveal, I guess, or what I've done with the stuff. So I just figured I would set these aside and show you. You guys, most of you guys have seen these, so it's not anything different. I used the little panda and the little dot, and really I used most of the stuff from BB craft. Like there's a little flat back on ornaments. This year, I do have a chunky charm that I will also show that you guys have seen. That is really all I have actually made with this stuff. Is a lot of these that I have already sent out. But, yeah, that, I know there's more, but here's what, is my project share from the BB craft stuff that I have received and gotten. Was I used these, the flat backs, and some of the ornaments on the chunky charms. Yes?
Say hi.
We'll say hi then.
Hi.
And Zach says hi. Guys, here are the other ones, like I said. I got the flat backs and the little trucks of the ornament I did. I don't think you guys had seen this ornament yet. It's a shaker ornament. A little red truck. And then this one, I just kind of made it like a little thing. And then the red beads on these are from the BB craft. And every single one of the charms come from them. The only other thing I did, which is not done quite yet, I will show you in just a minute. And the only other thing I am in the process of doing is this is a pocket letter that I'm doing for a challenge, but I use the flat backs on the tree as like little ornaments. So that is what I've done with the stuff with BB craft. I think I have one more video I have to do. I'm not for sure, but I hope you guys enjoyed it.